Hey guys, Dan here with Battlefield Curator. The CMP is going to have a tent sale in November. Probably more like a warehouse liquidation where they're gonna get rid of a lot of stuff they just have sitting around their warehouse. And if you don't know what the CMP is, it stands for Civilian Marksmanship Program. It's a nonprofit organization that is federally chartered, and they actually specialize in youth marksmanship. They also sell military surplus items at their store locations. You got Anniston, Alabama, Talladega, Alabama, and you got Port Clinton, Ohio. So this CMP tent sale is going to be at 1470 Sentinel Drive, Anniston, Alabama. That's where their South store is located. And their South store is really popular because you can get M1 Garands, you can get Springfield 1903s, M1917s, Krag Jorgensens. And so a lot of people have traveled to the South store, and the South store is not too far from Talladega, Alabama. And the Talladega store is what they're using mainly because that's where their range is located. And their range in Talladega is very sophisticated. It's probably the most state-of-the-art range that you can go to in the US. They've got electronic targeting systems, the Kongberg system. And so you can sit on a bench, you can fire away, and it'll show up on a screen that's on your bench. So definitely a state-of-the-art facility. You definitely got to go visit there if you've not. Now, going back to the CMP in Anniston, Alabama, they're going to have this tent sale November 7th through the 9th, and that's going to actually encompass a lot more than just what they have in stores. So some of the items that they stated they were going to have, they're going to have uniforms, they're going to have marksmanship accessories, they're going to have ammunition, they're going to have other various items like books and maybe some other surplus knickknacks. So definitely, if you're in the area or you have a weekend to spare, go out there and check and see what they have. I mean, you can also go to the South store, you can also go to the Talladega store and get you an M1 Garand for cheaper than what you can get most other places. All right, well, let's delve into this a little bit more. What my thoughts are, what I think that we might be seeing. So when it comes down to clothing, we're going to probably look at maybe some older CMP clothes, maybe some hats that say like CMP on them, maybe some shirts with like CMP logos. Maybe those were sitting around the warehouse, they just didn't sell, and when the new merchandise rolled out, they just kind of put some of the older CMP shirts and hoodies and caps, they just kind of put those in the warehouse. So we'll probably see some of that out there. All right, ammunition. Okay, so the stores right now don't have a lot of surplus ammunition, but maybe they have some surplus M1 carbine ammo. Maybe they got some surplus Krag ammo, which would be kind of rare, but maybe they do because they just released a whole bunch of Krags not too long ago. I'd say maybe 30-06 would probably be your best bet for surplus ammo. Maybe even some 45 ACP 9mm. You could see some of those surplus ammos being released out in this warehouse sale. But yeah, I'd say 30-06 is probably the best bet for surplus ammo that we might get. Yeah, various other items like books and whatnot. I'm thinking books about M1 carbines, M1 Garands, M1903s, Krags, just your US rifles, maybe some marksmanship books. That's pretty much it. That's what I'm thinking. And to go along with that, I think we might be seeing some surplus items, maybe some surplus items that you've not seen on the shelves before. They also stated in the email that there might be some stocks, so you're probably going to have M1 Garand stocks, maybe some 1903 stocks. I know some of you guys are probably looking for 1903 stocks or 1903A3 stocks because you probably have a 1903 or a 1903A3 that has a cracked stock. All right, marksmanship accessories. I'm thinking marksmanship accessories includes anything for the youth, maybe like the padded shirt that they wear with the shoulder pad, maybe some of those 22 rifle marksmanship accessories, maybe those funny little glasses you see in the Olympics. You know, some people don't use those in the Olympics and do very well, but you might see something like that. So as far as marksmanship accessories, I'm just thinking stuff that would not be so much military. It just might be more civilian. Maybe some national match type stuff. There could be other things there that might interest you as well. So overall, you know, it might not be a bad idea to go there and to see what they have at this warehouse sale, especially if you've been wondering about getting a M1 Garand from the CMP. Make sure you check out the purchase requirements from the CMP on their website, thecmp.org. Also, you want to check out what it takes to get other various rifles, how many you can get per year. I think right now, the last time I was there, you can get up to 6 M1 Garands per year, and you get up to 6 bolt actions per year. And also, when I was there before, I did see some 22 rifles, some 22 training rifles. So that's another thing that you could probably look into getting if you just want something to plink with. Well, with that being said, November 7th through the 9th, and pretty much 1470 Sentinel Drive in Anniston, Alabama. That's where they're gonna have this thing. I might be there looking for some stuff. Just got to plan it out and see if I'm available that weekend. Got a lot of stuff going on lately, especially with this hurricane that came through. There's a lot of devastation in the area, and we've been cleaning up as much as we can, helping out neighbors and whatnot. So let me know your thoughts on this CMP tent sale. Pulverize that like button. Subscribe if you haven't. Check out the merch link in the description, and be sure to learn history and curate history. Make it a great day.